Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, SoniaMChand, and that's Bobo. Today we'll be doing a glam makeup look, this one which everyone can do. So let's get started. First, let's get that hair out of the way. Well, ain't that looking cute? 1, 2, 3. Can't stand that grimy. Oh, I had to tie my hair up. Applying primer all over my face. Next, I'm using this Glam Girl by Mehwish Night Glam palette, and I'm going to use this for color correcting my under eyes and any spots I want to spot conceal because it is a full glam makeup look. So yep, now it's time to blend. Time for some foundation. Now we're gonna blend this. This brush really reminded me of my childhood memory. It reminded me of my Nanaji's shaving brush. It actually looked like that. Anyways, this really works well. It blends pretty good. So I use this. Look at that. See, I told you it works really good. Next, I'm using this pretty much dried up concealer, but we're gonna use the best out of it. I was judging it pretty hard, but we gotta make things work. We blendy, we blendy, we blend in. Using this shade just to give the eye a little base and blend. Next, I'm using this light warm brown shade just to give the eye a little more depth. I believe anyone can do this eye makeup look. It's quite simple and easy. Now I'm using this a little more denser brush, and with that I use that more brownish shade. The key is as you go by, just get closer and closer to your eyelid and the outer corner of your eye, and then you blend that out. Apply the same brown shadow on your lower lash line. For the shimmer shadow, take any brush and wet it with some water, and then boom, you apply the glitter shade or shimmer shade, and wow, it just looks 10 times better this way. Now I apply the same shade on the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade and focusing that on the outer corner of my eyelid. I will not stop talking about this glitter palette. It's the best palette ever. It just makes the game 10 times better. And I just tap that with my finger on my lid. Apply some shimmer on the brow bone. Miss Sonya was enjoying some music. Now I'm using this even more dark brown shade, but it's a cool brown shade. You concentrate that on the outer corner of your eye. It just makes the eye more deep. Now I'm just lightly blending everything out. I'm taking this black pencil and applying that only on the outer corner of my eyelid because I'm going to blend that. Now what this does, it just makes your eye look a lot more cuter at the end of the makeup look. Now I'm applying some wing liner. Okay, let's zoom in. Yup, better. Make the wing, lightly line your lash line, and just like that. And then I'm just gonna drag the liner a little bit on my inner corner of my eye to just enhance the eye makeup look. Just like that, and that's it. I don't like that crazy wing. Time to put on some lashes. I simply apply lashes like that. Just put the middle part first and then connect the outer end and the inner end, and then you're done. Ooh, looks cute. Lashes are the game changer in makeup. Look at that. Now because it is a glam makeup look, I'm just going to highlight my face with a lighter concealer and just going to contour with that. And now applying some contour shade to enhance those cheekbones because they don't exist. A little bit on the nose, on the forehead, and under the chin. Then we're going to blend everything out, go from the darker to the lighter. So I'm first blending out the contour, and next I will be blending out the concealer. Applying some bronzer, some blush, and well, I believe I have blush blindness because I go crazy with it, but I believe that it lightens up with time, so you gotta make it cute. Going to bake that and set everything up to finish the eye makeup look. It just brightens up your face and really sharpens your features. Now I'm going to dust that powder off my face. Time for the lippies. Now using a brown lip liner, and I'm going to top it up with this beautiful coral lipstick. I just love this lipstick way too much. It's really pretty. The final but my favorite part, which is the highlighter. Yep, I'm gonna highlight that face because it just brings everything back. Boom. Yep, we are ready. Now that makeup looks amazing, doesn't it, boo? Let me know how you guys like this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Can I be your Sonya? Brown skin, brown eyes, I just wanna get close to you.